Hi everyone, thank you for your attention. We saw in this class that how powerful people is. With people you can access resources, we can access fund, ideas, everything. And in the same time we also learn that how the people was important starting a successful business such as Google, Facebook and Gypto. We also learn the people strategy, what we need to do and how to get the people and where to find the people. Hope the entire message was clear for you. If there is anything, if any further question popping up in your mind, don't hesitate to join the club, the course club, and reach to me as soon as possible. Thank you so much again. See you in the next chapter.